Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make some very tasty, simple, delicious beetroot burgers. Let's see how to make them. First of all, get your beetroots and peel them. Get rid of the bottom and of the top, cut them in 4 parts, put them on the side ready to be boiled. Then place a pan with some water inside, switch on. When the water is boiling, you can drop inside your beetroot and let them cook for 40 minutes. When you've placed them to boil, just add the juice of half a lemon in the water. When the beetroots are ready, you can drain them from the water. You can process all the ingredients together. Start putting the extra virgin olive oil in a food processor, garlic, parsley, cumin, onions, salt, rice flour, breadcrumbs, and of course the beetroots. Close the food processor and process until everything is well mixed. There we go. I needed to swap for the big guy because the little guy was not strong enough to process this mix. This is the final result, so you should expect something that is creamy, yes, but something that is possible to work with your hands. So if you see that it's too wet, just add a tiny bit more of flour and breadcrumbs, just a bit more at a time, then process, then add again. Otherwise, if it's fine for you, you touch it and you can work it with your hands, that's ready. Once your mix is ready, you can start to shape it. You can shape it without any kind of mold. I have this burger mold, it's very convenient, so I'll just put inside some of the mix. Otherwise, you can even do it with your hands without any kind of mold. There we go, this is the final result. Now we are ready to cook it. Just put a tiny bit of oil inside the pan, switch on a low medium flame, and when the oil is hot enough, you can drop your burger inside the pan and just leave them to cook for about 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes on a low medium flame. After 2-3 minutes, just turn them and just leave them to cook for another couple of minutes. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp UK channel. There I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, homie.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.